Hello and welcome to Internet. It's me, SkyKid, and today we are going to do an unboxing of Acer Windows Mixed Reality headset. Let's get right into it. Here is the Acer Windows Mixed Reality box. We have the headset box and the controllers box. Let's open up the headset first. Inside, we got a useless paper. And face pad to share with your friends. Wait, I don't have any friends. Here's the headset. And we got the Ghostbuster game, which I don't care. Okay, that is all for the headset box. Let's open up the controllers. Inside, we got the controllers, of course. And we got the manual inside this small box, but I can't get it out, so I'm just gonna leave it there. Then we got 4 AA batteries, 2 for each controller. Now let's tear the plastic off. Now for the setup. First, take the USB and HDMI of the headset and plug it into the computer. You must plug the USB into a USB 3.0 port. After that, the Mixed Reality portal will pop up. Just click Get Started. Then agree with whatever it asks. Then it will check if your PC passed the test or not. Now, if it did pass, just click Next. Then it will show you the headset that you plug in. Show the part of the headset. Then it's time to set up your controllers. It will also teach what each button does on your controller. Then it's time to connect your controller to the PC. First, turn on the controller with Windows button. Once it is on, remove the battery cover and insert the battery if you haven't, and then press the small pairing button. Once it is paired, a pop-up will appear on your PC. Just hit yes. After successfully paired, the light on the controller will lit up. Then close the battery cover. Then proceed to do the same procedure with the another one. After you pair the controllers, you have to choose a setup between with boundary or no boundary. I'm going to go with setup for all experience, which will create a boundary for me. Clear the space in your room, then click next. Now, point your headset toward your computer, then click center. To test your boundary, just hold your headset toward your computer, then walk around your room while keeping the headset pointing toward the computer. After that, a boundary will show. If it looks good, just click accept. If not, just start over. After all that, just follow the instruction in your VR headset, then we are ready to play any games you want. Now, if you are like me who prefer to play games on Steam, download Windows Mixed Reality for Steam VR. It's a must. And that is how you set up your Windows Mixed Reality. Now I apologize if this video wasn't as good as all my other videos. I did not do the unboxing in my room, and so I have no control over the audio. So it's just going to be music and my voice for most of this video. So thanks to all who is watching this video right now, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.